Hey guys, I'm Dr. Jeff Langford and I wanted to walk you through our new Forsyth office on Tift College Drive. Y'all come on in. We've been serving the great folks at Forsyth since 2014 and we're excited to have additional space, especially in our waiting room and our shot room. Let me show you what's back here. Each exam room is equipped for all of our services: allergy testing, consultations, immunotherapy, and our rush treatment, which can quickly get you ready for this allergy season. Now, I want to introduce you to somebody. Krista McPherson is a nurse practitioner with us, and we see patients here together in Forsyth. I'm here in our office now.
Thanks for stopping by for a tour. I'm proud to have been a part of the Forsyth community for 30 years. And as Dr. Langford said, we love our new Forsyth office. We hope you'll visit us for all your allergy care. We're right off I-75 in walking distance from the square. Give us a call today.